So hello, my name is Oti and welcome to the Basic Guide. We'll be looking at how to get started with Adobe Premiere Pro. You might ask, what is Adobe Premiere Pro? Premiere Pro is a video editing software from Adobe. It's very powerful and one thing is for sure, it's far from basic. It has been used in many films and TV shows, from Deadpool, Godzilla, the recent Blade Runner. To be able to use Premiere Pro, I think it's important that we do understand the interface in the first instance. As you can see, there are a lot of panels here, which can be sometimes confusing, but do trust me, once you understand the basics, it will become second nature. The key ones are the source monitor. Now, the source monitor allows you to preview individual clips and apply to it edits like in points and out points, which you can then drop into your timeline and use. Now this is the program monitor. Program monitor shows clips on the timeline. The timeline is where you edit your footage and allow your creative juices to flow. You have your source monitor where you can preview your clip. You have your program monitor, which shows you the clips on your timeline. Your timeline is where the actual editing takes place. Now that is the project panel. This is where references of the imported footages are kept. Let's try and start a project. So to start a project, you first have to import your footage into Premiere Pro. There are multiple ways you can do this. The first being double tap left mouse button, the empty space of the project panel. Locate the file you want to import and press open. You now have imported the file. This is quite straightforward and simple. Simply locate the file you wish to import, drag and drop it into Premiere Pro. And voila, mission accomplished. To be able to allow the full expression of your creative juices, you must understand the tools required to use the timeline. Now this is a selection tool which allows you to interact with the interface. Click, move things and so forth. This right here is a track selection tool and it is very handy. It allows you to select all the clips to the right of the cursor, which facilitates movement. So you don't want to be stuck dragging clips individually. This tool is the Ripple Edit tool. This bad boy here will be your bread and butter, your sword and shield. It will be the rig to your motive. This tool allows you to trim a clip without leaving any gap. You might not appreciate it right now, but believe me, oh boy, would you love this tool. This one here is called Rolling Edit. The rolling edit trims a video in and out points without changing the duration of the clip. If you roll to the left, the clip on the left is shortened and the right is prolonged, but the combined duration still remains the same. This is the rate stretching tool, and this tool allows you to speed up the duration of the clip or slow it down. This is the ratio tool, and as the name suggests, it is used to split clips, which can then be trimmed down, extended as you desire. This right here is the slip tool, and it changes both the in and out points at the same time. This, on the other hand, is the slide tool. It's a three-way rolling edit. It allows you to move a clip left or right whilst trimming the surrounding clips. The pen tool allows you to add and control keyframes. This is the hand tool. The hand tool allows you to move in the timeline, scrolling left to right, facilitating your movements therein. This is the zoom tool. The zoom tool allows you to zoom into the timeline, or click to zoom out.